Do you want to make this morphing effect in Adobe After Effects under 1 minute? Watch the full tutorial. First, we put our objects. It needs to be one of those extensions. Now, we select the Morph 2 objects. Those are the ones which will turn into the last one. Now we open the extension from Window tab and we just click Morph it. Now we play it and we see that the effect is applied. So the first objects selected will be the Morph 2 and the last one will be the morphed into. Now let's apply trails. And we can see the trails white line behind the objects. If you want this script lifetime activated, you can use it on all your projects. Just subscribe and comment Morph and I'll send it right to you. Yep guys, since you make it to the end of the video, please help me reach 1000 subscribers so I can monetize my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching and see ya.